Episode of Salty Badger, and we are going to do a mail call from XAN Biker for his 200 subscriber drawing that he did. We were the winners. He promptly mailed the package out to us. We got it earlier in the week but have not had time to do the mail call. So we're going to do that now. We're going to open it up. Let's see what's inside. Salty stickers enclosed. We're going to check those out here in a second. Alright, it's the Schumacher battery charger. This is awesome. This is just something everybody could use anytime you have a motorcycle, anything that you're going to store for the winter storage, keeping it on a battery maintainer. Thank you, XA. When we hit 200 subscribers, we're going to do a drawing too. Haven't decided what it is yet, so we will let you know. Now, let's get on to the fun part, right? Everybody likes stickers. We will add our first addition to the sticker board from YouTube creators. Look here. Open up the envelope. As a note, it says, "Salty, enjoy your charger and congratulations. I am looking forward to your channel growing also. Rubber down, faith up. XAM Bike." Alright, we got two stickers. We'll put one on the sticker board and we're going to put one in the save area. I don't know what I'm going to do with my secondaries, but hey, we'll get it taken care of. Alright, here we go. There it is, it's placed. Put the sticker board back. There's XAN Biker.